welcome to the introductory video of Pantaho. So, what is Pantaho? Before we start the topic, let me tell you that if you have any query regarding the free video, then you can speak your mind under the QA section. And if you want to check the course details of our website, then you can go through the ETL testing tutorial. To understand the concept of Pantaho, let's take a look on the ETL process. So basically what happens in ETL process is we fetch data from different data sources and put the data in the staging area for validating it. After that, we load it in the data warehouse. So to perform the whole process, here we will be using a tool that is Pantaho. So basically Pantaho will not only help us to extract the data from different sources and validate the data, but it will also help us to generate the reports after we populate the data in the data warehouse. That means when we fetch the data in the data warehouse and it turns into the business data, after that what we do is we take out intelligence out of this business data and generate the reports which will be used for the business queries, right? So previously what I was doing, I was using two tools for this process. That means we were using a tool for integration and a tool for visualization for generating the reports. But this time we can use the same tool for integration and visualization. That means this is a single solution for all the business needs. Basically what happened in the previous tool is, up to here I used the integration tool to extract the data, then validate the data, then load the data in the data warehouse. After that, to perform the visualization process, I was using another tool that is Tableau. But Pantaho is better enough to perform the integration as well as visualization at a single platform. So now the question comes is, why to use Pantaho as our integration tool? So these are some reasons that I have listed out why we need Pantaho or why to choose Pantaho as your integration or visualization tool. First of all, it is a one-stop solution for all the needs. That means you can integrate the data as well as you can visualize the reports with the help of Pantaho data integration tool. And the next we can say a reason is the low integration time. That means it takes a very little bit time to process the whole integration. Like, wait a minute. Yeah, I was here. So as I was telling you that when we fetch the data from different sources, that data may come in raw format. So basically we need to validate the data so that we can load the cleansed data in the data warehouse. So Pantaho basically takes a very little bit time, or we can say that a very less integration time to perform the process. So this is the second reason why to choose Pantaho. Now the next reason is that the Pantaho is created in Java platform that makes it highly customizable. And the next reason is it's an open source tool which supports big data. If you are having a huge amount of data sources as we are having right now, as let me explain you through a diagram. See, if you are having a huge amount of data in Oracle database, or if you are using any Teradata, so a lot of data may come through these sources. So basically Pantaho supports a big data or huge amount of data, and it is very user friendly and easy to learn. So you can prefer this tool for integration and visualization. And the most important is the help desk support which is provided by Pantaho. It provides 24/7 support to all the users. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. So as we know that Pantaho is a suite of business intelligence products which provide data integration, OLAP, services, reporting, dashboard, data mining, and many ETL capabilities. So Pantaho is one-stop solution. So the features of Pantaho are listed out as follows. That means it is helpful for data integration, provides data analytics, it can assume or accept data from, we can say, a huge amount of data can be accepted over here. Embedded analytics is provided. A doc analysis is permitted over here. So these are some more features of Pentaho that are supported. So following up all these features, I have listed out some more ETL tools. As you can see that according to the search engine of Google, Informatica is ranked as the first ETL tool as the best tool for replication. Okay. After that comes the IBM InfoSphere dataspace and then comes Panto. So Panto is ranked as third. So that's why in my recording sessions I will be covering Panto as well as Informatica Power Center. So here the question comes is Pantaho free to use? Because Informatica is providing a 14 days of trial version which is free of cost. So yeah, Pantaho is a mixed mode tool which is also free of cost. It's an open core business tool. The community and the version number is provided over here, so you can use Pantaho for free of cost. So keeping all these following tools in mind, I have listed out some list of companies who are using Pantaho currently. So since companies have unique business related requirements, so it is sensible that they avoid deciding on all-in-one best software product. Regardless this, it will be difficult to stumble on such a software product even among sought after software solutions. So these are the list of companies who are using Pantaho to undertake all the responsibilities, that is Teradata, LifeTouch, Comcast. So they are earning a great revenue with the help of Pantaho. So hope you have got it that why should we use Pantaho and what is the uses, how is the demand coming of Pantaho, how the market of Pantaho is growing. So all the things are clear out now, and thank you for joining.